Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it is looking really good, isn't it, to be honest. I've not looked at Polygon in a little while, but we can clearly see that some very nice levels have been broken here, and it's really cool that we are witnessing this. Finally starting to break away from this ranging area between the 0.38 and the 0.50 that we've been in for a god knows how long now. You can obviously see ever since we came up here at the 14th of July. What is this, the 14th, 15th of July here? We came into this range. Resistance, support, resistance, support, support, resistance. We get that false breakout with the FTX collapse. We come back inside, resistance, and then support. I actually did a long position here that entered just about at the 0.38 there, and it ran all the way up to that 0.50 and got a basically took profits in this area. We got the breakout and then a little bit of a range forming here, and then we can see here obviously with the bullishness in the wider market, we've also seen Polygon have a really nice move to the upside, where essentially it's got a breakout here. Obviously I had a little bit of a short position in this area because I wasn't expecting this kind of parabolic move that we saw going into the new year, but we can obviously see ever since here we basically got a nice little move all the way up to the 0.618 there. Kind of got a little bit of a, you know, grab the liquidity and a rejection, but then with Bitcoin having a nice pump over the past few days, Polygon has actually moved all the way up here, all the way up to that 139 previous level, key level here. This is a very key area, isn't it, for Polygon? You can see it here, this support all the way down here before that massive rollover that we did see, and then you can see we're heading back in that direction now. Polygon overall just looking really strong, man. I think this thing is definitely going to be heading back towards its all-time high if it can clear this resistance here. We're seeing a ton of signs of potential bull market structure as well for a lot of cryptos, which is very positive to see after such a long time being under the cosh, basically. I think things are going to be different this time, aren't they? Overall, I would say, considering that everyone's been talking about, you know, we've got to wait until 2024, 25 for a bull market cycle. But I mean, Bitcoin, it's clearly breaking out of key resistances right now and heading to the upside. It's broken out and backtested its bear market resistance, and it's pumped off the back of it as well. And you can see here with Polygon, I mean, its bear market resistance has been cleared for months. And then we had this started to have a nice move to the upside, maybe for like bull market structure like this. And then we had the FTX collapse, which obviously delayed the process. So we've got this, you know, and then we came down again, and then we're back up again. You could say we're just in a massive range right now, couldn't you, like this? And we are waiting for, you know, confirmation of a breakout. But I mean, if we do clear this level here, that next target is that 0.78, isn't it, up at around $1.84. That'd be a very nice trade to take, in my opinion. But obviously just cautious right now of taking long positions when we've already pumped so much, and potential bearish divergences as well. I'd be looking for a pullback maybe to the 618. I'd have a short long position, a small long position, sorry, in this area like this. And obviously if we did come down any further and retrace, I'd definitely have a long position anywhere in these areas here as well, because, you know, we are potentially looking at some bull market structure for the whole market, and it's kind of exciting to see, really, isn't it? It's been a long time coming, but I think Polygon, if Bitcoin does start to move up and, you know, head up towards that 30k level over the next few weeks, if it does continue the way it's going, everything's going to follow, including Polygon. So I'm feeling very bullish, to be honest, on this crypto. It's been held very strong throughout this bear market. Obviously we had this big rollover, but we've had a really nice recovery, a long consolidation to make lots of good structure for the chart, and now it looks like it's finally starting to break away, isn't it, which is interesting to see. So feeling optimistic, and to be honest, feeling quite bullish. So that's the first time I've said that in such a long time. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.